Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking some things. He's letting everyone know that he has an apartment and that he doesn't have to work like the other people do to get what they want. He has his money piled up, and he don't have to be walking around cleaning up dog food or doing anything for that or living in other people's apartments. He lives in his own apartment, and he's saying that he doesn't wear clothes that are dirty, clothes that are been messed up with banana stain and all that. So he's talking about that stuff. He's asking for people to excuse his bipolar, and he's just going off. And please watch the video and draw your own conclusion to this. And also remember that I've been giving away this special and advertising your business for free.
I show them my big 10 blood clot into them I did for and then can blood clot get a long time they want my blood clot 10 inch how the post all them with fire classes. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Me see you. Me see you. Me see you. Me don't see you. I will never see you. Your blood clot big bird. Clifford the big red dog. Clifford the big red dog. Tooth in a red paint that should pay you. I can't chat to nobody. Tooth in a red paint that should pay your blood clot. How you? All for me worst day. All for me worst day. You can't come out looking like me. No dear. Me no wear clothes wally in there. Me no wear clothes stain in there. Me no wear clothes look like come from some pawn shop. Go for ya. Can't chat to me. Go Clifford. Go Clifford the red. Go Clifford the big blood clot red dog. How you? You know, so me fly and play, me fly blood clot first class. That tells me I have some coins. I got coins stacked away. I mean, I run on a social media funds. Talk to me nice. Me not clean no shit a foreign for me now. Me not clean no shit a foreign for me the ends meet like no for uno. Where I come to gonna come style people. Where I clean dodo. I live in a people yard. Live at the blood clot yard. I'm in my own house, my own apartment. Cross. The people, if you have blood clots, if you don't have blood clot, I mean, you want to have strength for crosses. Go find one big dildo for pushing your church out. Blood clot, pokey, when a man no want. Man want me. Man want me with this color teeth. Man want me. Man and woman want me. The two of them want me. I promise you. I better me can get on my phone right now. I said, come here, come here, come to my house. I want some right now. Them have to come. Cause them love me off. Disabled and all. You have one disabled boy, I put it to shame. Hold on. Disabled and all. You have disabled boy like me, I put you to shame. Go for you, no man no want you. No man no want you. And any man no want you. I gotta put one blood clot paper over your blood clot in. Cause no man are looking at your blood clot and freak you. Go for you. For you too. Coupon you too. It look like so one rainbow. Yes, Madhouse blood clot production. It look like so one rainbow dash upon your crosses. You know, rainbow. Find the pot of gold. Maybe if you find the pot of gold, you might just come out look a bit better. Go find the pot of gold like a blood clot leprechaun. A blood clot leprechaun pump. Can I style the body? Can I style the body? When last you go buy yourself two good outfit? When last you go buy yourself two good outfit? All the blood clot money you make on social media, it not make no sense. Cause you stay, you tan bad, you tan. Look for my discolor teeth. I'm a discolor teeth. Look better than you. Me not tell no lie. How you feel? How you crosses people them feel? Well, look for your waist though. We're not looking pan you. We're not looking pan no termite. Clifford the blood clot big red dog crosses. I say one rainbow dash it pan you. One rainbow dash it pan you. You know rainbow? You feel a blood clot Skittles. You know them Skittles box with all the color. I see a blood clot look. If you murder. Hey, on the tell me baby something, on the tell me baby something, now, cause me no want to start if it don't want to start. Hey, you think so then cross they can cost me, on the can blood clot. I can't me a baby self. Me tell us on the can cost me, on is the blood clot when I on the can cost more cost. I behave myself. I behave myself. I mean, no want to raise my pressure a little bit. No, I don't blood clot raise already on the guan, yeah. Anybody sono? Who is uno blogging now make no sense. No blood clot sense. I hope I know that. Oh, no, zuz. Yes, very sad, but your blood clot follow me crosses Miriam goes cha. Let me tell her we're sad. Miriam. At the front there between your legs when I get Nora means go fire. The front there between your legs, Miriam, when I get Nora means go at that blood clot sad. Miriam, you know if you go do? Go rub one blood clot scotch by the pepper you poke it. Make it burn your cars. Clearly, you're not getting a ramen, so you're not getting a hot sauce, dog. The go for your girl, you're full of shit like crab. Oh, you. Is all you. I will send call you over here. Who tell if you follow me crosses me and come off my blood clot yet. Oh, I own you. Don't, me can't ask me girl, ask your damn self why you